designed for precision soldering of PCBs, small electronics, and delicate components. Heats up in just 12 seconds with an adjustable temperature range of 390 and 842 Fahrenheit degrees. Includes 4 C210 soldering tips for detailed repair work. Let's see. Knife tip, pencil tip, curved tip. These are what we have inside the box and some other specifications. Here is the instruction manual. USB-C to USB-C cable. Before we check it out, let's go ahead and check the user manual closely. Let's see what we have. Soldering iron, desoldering pump, EST tweezer, storage case, and soldering iron tip. We have sponge, soldering wire, Type-C cable, and stand with base. It talks about how we're gonna install the soldering tip and how you're gonna use it. Let's open it. There we go. Oh, look at that. USB-C charging area. Soldering wire, and these are the soldering tips. There's the sponge. I don't like the case, by the way. I have a remote controller for the drone, and one of the controller is broken. As you can see, this one is broken. I'm gonna go ahead and change it. Let's see each of them. That's the first one, and here is the second one, third one, and here is the fourth one. This is knife, curved, also knife, and here is the last one. This is pencil. Here is the stand. We can go ahead and put it like that. See, this is a sponge tray. Let's put it right there and use one of them. Perfect. And I'm gonna use this pencil soldering tip. Let's go ahead and install it. Go ahead and screw it. That's it. Perfect. I'm gonna choose the correct one first. Here's the correct one. As you can see, like that. 3200 milliampere rechargeable battery provides up to 75 minutes of cordless use. If you want to use the cord, you can continue using the USB-C area. Supports corded operation with a 5-volt 2 ampere power adapter for extended projects. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Now it's on. As you can see, it's going up. This is the temperature. Oh, look at that. In just 12 seconds. I can see some smoke over there coming. I don't know if you can see. Now I can feel the heat. Let's try to use it right over here. It's already working well. Now it's perfect. And you can also increase it from here. Now it's increasing the temperature. Let's see now. There you go. Immediately it's just melting. And we have the LED light too. Let's check it out closely. There you go, one more time. You see. Over here. I'm gonna go ahead and use this. Let's hold it like that. And got all the soldering wire. Let's see. Whenever you're done with using it, you can just place it right there. You see? Like that. Now we got all the soldering. You can go ahead and take it out. You see, that's very clean. Alright, here is the area. I need to go ahead and bend it a little bit. That's it. Let's put the new one. There we go. I'm gonna go ahead and take that out. Let's turn it on. Let's see. You're gonna see the increase of the temperature in 12 seconds. Right now it's 842. That's it. Perfect. Here is the old one. Here is the new one. Currently, as you can see, I have 20%, maybe under 20%. I'm gonna continue charging over here. At the same time, I'm gonna continue using it. Now we can continue using with the cable. Let's put it right there for the safety purposes. Let's go ahead and put it right over here. We're gonna go ahead and solder these areas. Let's use the soldering wire. There you go. Pass it through and close it. Now it's ready. That's it. Now everything is perfect. Let me put some more there. Some more over here. Let's see it closely. I'm done with this soldering machine. We're gonna go ahead and check it out closely. You see? That's the other one. We'll put more right over here. That's not enough. Let me turn it on first. Alrighty, it started with 400 because it was already hot. Check this out. Now we're good to go. We are done with everything. These are what we used. Definitely suggest this product. It's because you're able to use with wire or wireless, and it has a great stand, as you can see. And we have the sponge tray, and you can just put it right over here to clean the tips like that. And this can heat up in just 12 seconds to 142 Fahrenheit degrees, and you can change the temperature from here, decrease, increase. And this area, non-slippery silicone, as you can see, you can hold it like a pen. If you want to change the tip, you need to unscrew it and put the other tip and continue the charging area. This is the result. Definitely suggest it.